Hello everyone! Today I want to demonstrate what our pros and cons generator template does. We can choose the template from the Flow Library tab and select the pros and cons generator. This tool generates a detailed list of pros and cons based on your input. It searches for all relevant information on Google or your domain. For example, if we simply give it the name FlowHunt, it will extract all the available data and compile a comprehensive list of advantages and disadvantages. This tool can assist both employees and customers by providing a clear overview of the positives and negatives of any product or option, helping them make informed decisions. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.